Hello, I'm Jamie and this is Mike.
What's this video all about? It's a mystery box. So here's how this is going to work. Our mates Ben, who is a chef, and Barry, who is a normal, are going to receive a mystery box of ingredients.
So flavours that work quite nicely: red wine, duck breasts and berries.
I don't cook duck at home. I never cook duck at home.
Chocolate of 3 varieties and some root vegetables, some salad.
We've also included a special ingredient which they have to use.
What is that? Oh, raw licorice powder. Oh, that's going to be so hard to use.
Do you recognise that?
Yeah, that was from Pretentious Ingredients, wasn't it?
Last time this worked quite nicely with vanilla ice cream and could go kind of chocolatey, but we also said it would work quite well with the likes of lamb or a rich meat like that, and therefore it could work with duck.
And then they have 30 minutes to cook something for this guy.
Jamie will then judge the 2 dishes, not knowing who cooked which, and pick a winner.
Oh, think, Barry, think.
You have 30 minutes, starting 3, 2, 1, cook.
I don't know what to do, I'm just going to get on with it.
My logic here is an easy molten lava cake, a recipe that is one of those ones you can remember off the top of your head because it's so easy.
To compete with Ebba's, everything has to look prepped cleverly.
So you're instantly trying to make this look as chefy as Ben will.
I don't really understand the flavour profile of licorice or how I can make it work. So by just confusing Jamie's taste buds all round to make him go, I think I like that. I know how to make broccoli taste good. Olive oil, some posh salt, into an oven. Basically keep an eye on it until it starts to blacken and char on top.
First thing, I want to melt this over bain-marie. You could just do that in a microwave. The critical thing is to get this into an oven in the first 15 minutes. So I put a tablespoon of sugar into the red wine just so it reduces down to a consistency that will give us a nice little syrup.
So now cabbage, not so familiar with cabbage, what to do here.
Oh, is it 50 grams of flour? No, it's a tablespoon of flour. Yeah, 50, 50, 50. An egg and a tablespoon of flour, I think.
Or is it?
Oh, now you got me worried.
Cabbage, do you blanch it? Stuff it, what am I doing? Don't blanch it, fry it off in butter.
Barry has just saved his cabbage.
You've got 23 minutes left, mate.
Again, just go with it, go confident, don't even think about it.
What's he doing? What is he doing?
Might try and make a caramel or something just because it needs some texture on the plate, otherwise it's all going to be soft and mushy.
I'm going to add some red wine, some salt runners. I'm going to make my vinaigrette, which is, for me, the bit where I'm going to try and get the licorice in there. Whole grain mustard. Let's go for a little bit of licorice.
I have no idea where to even start thinking about a licorice vinaigrette.
I know, I don't either.
So I think licorice needs the dairy to soften it, so I'm going to serve it with like a licorice cream. 2 ramekins lined with butter and cocoa. Okay, I don't want this too hot, otherwise it will scramble the egg. So adding the sugar will just cool it down enough to stop the egg from scrambling. The vanilla will just bring out the richness of the chocolate. They will need to go in the oven in about 5 minutes time.
Oh.
They need about 14 minutes.
How long do you need to plate it?
A minute of resting and then it gets plated.
Here you go. I don't know how this is going to work. A little bit of licorice on a duck. Oh! Let's just get it in a dry pan.
Duck's quite hard to cook. I always start it off in cold pan, bring it up, and any oil that comes out of it, any fat at all, helps drain it off.
Oh, okay.
Because otherwise it doesn't get crispy enough.
Got a reduction of red wine with sugar. Into that I'm going to place some of our berries and some delicious flavours. Orange zest. Berries are going in whole, but they'll soften around the edges. Black pepper, 2 juniper berries.
Right, let's get rid of the oiliness of this stuff.
A little bit of sugar to sweeten the cream. And I want this just spoonable. I remember eating the licorice, and wasn't it quite grainy? That's quite a nice crunch. Going for the crunch.
Nice.
Bold.
Do you want to try some licorice powder? I want to try some licorice powder.
I've tried licorice powder before.
No. Take a sprink. Ready? Go. Oh, see, I really like that and you don't like it. You have 15 minutes remaining.
14 minutes for fondant and a minute to plate.
Oh, he's so damn confident.
Yeah! Broccoli also done. I'm right, I think I'm okay. I think I can get this in the oven now. Duck can be pink in the middle, can't it?
It can be pink. Should it be pink?
Oh, that's not fair.
13 minutes left.
Ben's making a caramel, that's what's happening here.
Yes!
The challenge is to be fearless. There is no time to be anything other than confident when it comes to caramel. But I'm going to add some licorice caramel. No, that's going to just...
Oh, he's panicking! He's panicking!
Got it to the colour I want,
Is it?
and now I'm just going to leave it to cool down to a point where I can use it and work out what I'm going to do with it. Because I haven't worked out what I'm going to do with it yet.
This is excellent.
Currants are now rehydrated in with your red wine, orange juice, water and stuff. Now, everything in butter tastes better. So butter to finish it off. I'm confident this is all going to come together.
What are you doing there?
Just into the bowl, just so I can oil up that.
Oh, I see what you're doing.
That I think will give it away that it's mine, because I don't think Barry would have braved spun sugar. And then I just want to make like a web of stuff that I can just kind of nestle up.
It looks very Barry,
Yeah.
but it doesn't look like something Barry would think of as on his own.
8 minutes left.
I'm going to look at some plates. Now the key here is, if I do too good a job of plating, it's going to be too obvious it's me.
That is arrogant, but I commend it.
Oh, I hate plating. Barry likes plating, so if I put an effort into trying to do it the way Barry might, then it might throw Jamie off.
I've got to take the duck out to carve, haven't I, and let it rest. I'm going to have to, otherwise it's going to bleed everywhere.
I was about to
Don't
nod, but
react.
I'm just...
Don't react. You've got 5 minutes, mate. 5 minuten.
Oh, the fondant, the fondant.
It looks fantastic. Is it cooked? Not a clue.
Look, he's doing Barry plating.
3 minutes, mate.
3 minutes.
You're gonna have to-
Let's leave that
Go
till
for it.
last.
Mate, you're going to have to go for this.
Okay, right, let's go. Broccoli.
Just because Jamie's going to hate me on it, I'm going to put a sprig of mint on it.
I'm aiming for a little bit of fine dining.
Don't say sound bites like that. You're lit. You idiot.
Uh-oh.
Might be a bit over.
Where's the duck gonna go? Oh,
Yeah, can you give me a bigger plate? Give me the one
what are
like
you
this.
talking about?
Give me a,
You've started, mate. You've got... What are you doing?
2
You've got 2
minutes.
minutes.
once.
Change of plan.
1 minute, 30 seconds.
Mate,
I've got to carve the duck. Oh God, this is terrifying.
Here we go. ...40 seconds.
I'll do a little bit of the duck as well.
Oh! Come on!
Because it's hot, I want it last second, because it will begin to melt.
oh,
Okay, you have 10.
why is
9,
that going there?
8,
Ben, it looks
7,
so good.
Take that off.
It looks
6,
so good, Ben.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and you are finished.
Oh, that was horrible.
Well done. I mean, that's certainly something.
Good job, mate.
Very good
Good job.
You ready for some judgment?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Still confident. I'm still confident.
Okay, Jay.
Small fork and teaspoon, big knife and fork. Oh, that is some sexy looking food. Pan-fried orange duck breast with a selection of vegetables, rehydrated sultanas, and a licorice mustard vinaigrette. Are rehydrated sultanas just grapes? That is a very different plate of food, but my gosh, does that look great. Dark chocolate fondant with a spiced Nebbiolo berries and a licorice cream. Okay, so the common theme here is licorice mustard vinaigrette, licorice cream. That is a stonking good meal. I would be incredibly happy if I ordered that in a restaurant. So the duck is cooked. It might be slightly over for me. Licorice is an interesting one because I'm not a massive fan of licorice itself and licorice sweets, but what it does add is a very subtle bitterness that usually in sort of orange duck you would get quite a lot of sweetness, and so actually it's a bit more bitter, and that with the flavour of mustard, it's really balanced. I like that. Amazing looking plate of food, completely impractical. Let's get rid of that. Now, how much of a penis can I be when it comes to opening my chocolate fondant and what to expect? Did you get that? Did you get it? You got it? I mean, if it says on the menu dark chocolate fondant, you want it to be runny and to have the ooze out of it. It's not a oozy chocolate fondant.
Oh. He's going on a journey.
I don't know, that took me somewhere and it was unexpected. Good chocolate fondant flavour, licorice cream. When you eat it all together, it really balances out. But you did not hold back on that licorice, did you, in that cream?
You've got to make a decision, mate.
I have to decide which one's my favourite.
I'm nervous. Well, I don't
know what to think anymore. I'm lost.
They're so different.
I have to take it on techniques and on flavours, because that's how you judge a food competition. My winner is the duck. Who made the duck?
Barry Taylor.
Beat the chef.
Can we try them now?
Yeah, let's get in. I want to eat some of this. Oh, thanks. Oh man, that is fantastic.
Great work, boys.
That cream is worldy. I love licorice, and that's some of the nicest cream ever.
What's just happened?
You just beat the chef.
You won a battle by making a plate of meat for Jamie. So we're back to normality.
I had a terrible decision to make in that video.
You did. I actually thought Ben's was better.
Did you?
Spoiler alert, but it was your choice. If you like that video, give it a like. Do you want us to make more of those? Give us a like, let us know. If we get loads of likes, then everyone wins because we make them more, and then that's it.
Is this the first dad joke of 2019?
Yes. And I think it's fair to say no one's expecting a strong start.
What did the Buddhist monk say to the hot dog vendor?
I do not know. What did the Buddhist monk say to the hot dog vendor?
Give me one with everything. No, make me one with everything.
Yes!
No!
Yes!
No!
Yes!
As we mentioned, Sorted is just run by a group of friends. So, if you like what we're doing, then there are loads of ways that you can support us and get more involved. Everything you need to know is linked below. Thanks, and we hope to see you again in a few days.
I'm hoping that's just him pouring himself a glass of wine. There you go.
You are seeing that wine off.